Madam Speaker, I rise to ask question 85 of 2017. The question is directed to the Honourable Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport. The question is, can the Minister inform the House on how the government is assisting National Fire Authority to build capacity? Thank you.
The Honourable Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport.
Thank you, Madam, and I also thank the Honourable Member. Madam Speaker, government through my ministry has been investing in enhancing the National Fire Authority's resources. Madam Speaker, the government has provided grants to the National Fire Authority to construct new fire stations at Corvo, Korolevu and Senganga, and these fire stations have been successfully completed and opened. Madam Speaker, also under government grant of 2.4 million, the Nambawalu and Rekireki fire stations shall commence construction within 2 months' time. Madam Speaker, Lemi and Nakasi fire stations are at the planning stages and construction work shall commence within 3 to 4 months, again with the provision of government grants under the 2016-17 budget totaling 2.4 million. Madam Speaker, it is also pleasing to note that the Tawini fire station was recently commissioned. The Sabu Sabu fire station, which is currently under construction, is expected to be completed by end of this year. And this fire station will be HQ for the Northern Division of National Fire Authority. Madam Speaker, in addition to the construction of new fire stations around the country, government has also assisted National Fire Authority by providing grants for 7 second-hand fire trucks worth $400,000 and has been allocated to Kororo, Korolevu, Senganga, Nasori, Rekireki, Tabua and Tawini. Madam Speaker, 2 by 20,000 litre water tanks worth $1 million are on the verge of being manufactured. Each of these fire tankers will be allocated to the Western Division and Central Division. And Madam Speaker, 200,000 worth of firefighting equipment have also been purchased. Madam Speaker, for 2016-17 budget, government has provided the National Fire Authority with grant of 600,000 for the purchase of 2 emergency ambulances fully fitted with first aid equipment and much needed chemical suits worth $200,000 and breathing kits worth $200,000. Madam Speaker, the fire hydrant grants have also been provided to allow National Fire Authority in conjunction with Water Authority of Fiji to place fire hydrants in current subdivisions where there is no fire hydrants. Madam Speaker, in 2016, 271 fire hydrants have been purchased and installed by the Water Authority of Fiji. In addition, 200,000 has also been set aside to purchase fire hydrants in the 2016-17 budget, and 60 fire hydrants shall be purchased over the next 2 months. Madam Speaker, under the special program, Water Authority of Fiji shall be completing installation before the end of December 2017. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Asirano.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the Minister for his response. In terms of building capacity, you highlighted the increasing infrastructure of the National Fire Authority. That also carries responsibilities and huge demands in terms of attending to work by the firefighters themselves. The question that I'd like to ask the Minister is, can you inform this Honourable House in terms of human resource capacity, whether you are looking at increasing their remuneration conditions considering their lively line of work? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I also thank the Honourable Member. The issue has been addressed by the board. Thank you.
Honourable Mande.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I would like to ask the Minister, with the increasing number of fires that we have and the complexities of fires, how well is the National Fire Authority, the technical and the professional capabilities that they have put into place? Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. We have technical people in the National Fire Authority And we have also purchased 3 fire trucks which has got 20-meter ladders. And that is to fight the fire on the high-rise buildings. Thank you.
Honorable Levery.
To ask the Honorable Minister if there are any plans for the firefighters to go for in-service training in USP and FNU
Honorable Minister.
in terms of their work. Thank you.
There is an in-house program, Madam Speaker, and today there are a number of firefighters will be graduating. Thank you.